Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be starting a cooking series. Yes, something extraordinary. Today, for our first recipe of this new cooking series, you're going to be making a Shirley Temple with raspberry syrup. Yes, not cherry. Well, there's a little bit of cherry. But, making Shirley Temple today. This recipe is simple, quick, and efficient. So, for your ingredients, you're going to be needing 500 ml of 7-Up or Sprite, 60 milliliters of raspberry jam, and 60 milliliters of lemon juice. Now, for this recipe, you could be using the original recipe. Contains raspberry jam and lemon juice, but I have cherry syrup, so I'm going to be mixing that in. It's about maybe 15 milliliters of cherry syrup. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your lemon juice right here, and take your lemon juice, and you're going to want to pour it in a bowl. Then you're going to take your raspberry jam, you can see right here. I'm going to put that in there. Right, and I'm going to add my cherry syrup, give it that color and flavor. Get my spoon, quick. Alright, you want to take your spoon and you want to mix it until it becomes some sort of syrup. Right, there we go. We have our syrup, as you can see. I have for syrup ready, and we're gonna just rinse our spoon quick. We don't want to have that on everything. Right. So once you've done that, you're gonna wanna take your 7-Up. You want to take 2 cups, 500 ml of 7-Up. So let me just pour that out. Uh-oh, making a mess. Can take our 7-Up. Remember, 7-Up or Sprite, both of them work. Honestly, I prefer using 7-Up, but it doesn't really matter. Hear that sizzle. Right, once you're done with that, I'm going to mix it. Nice. Alright, so once you're done with that, the final step is take a container and pour it out. You'll see that this Shirley Temple does have a little bit of color. I actually did screw up, so you can do it like this. We'll have more flavor. Or what you can do is you can take your 7-Up and you can pour it. You can take half a cup of 7-Up, pour it in each glass, and you can add 30 milliliters of the syrup, and you'll see that it's still gonna taste delicious. So, like and share all my videos, especially this one. And you know what? For this video, let's go for 10 likes. We're setting a new record here, boys and girls. Alright. So, thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe. And hope you enjoy this drink. See you later. Bye-bye.